Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum guys. Welcome to my channel. How are you all? I hope my all friends are good. God bless you and always be happy. So friends, in this video I am providing gorgeous and trending crochet mask ideas. So please don't skip the video. Watch the video start to end. These mask designs are stunning and unique. I hope you all love these ideas. So viewers, share the video with your friends and family who want crochet ideas. I really hope that they will love these latest mask ideas. You know guys, different people have different choices and they love different colors. In this video, you will see different colors, different decent unique designs of crochet mask. You can design your mask with using these ideas. Thank you friends for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass crochet mask collection, it's an amazing collection for them. They will get new designs and new ideas related to crochet mask. You know guys, crochet things represent our cultural beauty. Mostly people like the crochet articles. You can see more beautiful and unique designs from my channel. Crochet articles are totally washable. Crochet articles are very famous all over the world. Crochet articles are easy to make, especially for crochet lovers. If you all love this article and if you want more crochet designs ideas, so like my video and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. Be connected with me and remember me in your prayer friends. See you soon friends with new and latest video. Allah Hafiz friends.